Probability practice exercises 55 through 59. A pianist plans to play 4 pieces at a recital. In how many ways can she arrange these pieces in the program? So we have to ask ourselves, do we want to repeat these? Don't think it would be a very good recital if they played the same song over and over and over again. So let's say repetition is not allowed. And if you're going to print a program, order will matter as well. So, the pieces are all different, right? So they're going to be playing different pieces. So for the first item in the program, they have a choice of 4 pieces. To go second, because they've already played 1, there's 3. And so on. I think you get the idea. So we multiply that out. That's going to be 24. Okay, recall this is one method to do that. That's also 4 factorial. And also because order matters, you could write 4p4. All of these ways will get you 24. Number 56. In how many ways can first, second, and third prizes be awarded in a contest with 210 contestants? Okay, so order does matter. People care what prize they get. We have a total of 210 contestants. And that's another thing. Repetition is not allowed. Somebody can't win first, second, and third prizes. So you have 210 choices for first place, 209 choices for second, and 208 choices for third. When I multiply all those together, I will get 9,129,120. Please note that another way that we could write this would be 210p3 because order mattered in the situation and we cannot have repetition. 57. 7 Olympic sprinters are eligible to compete in the 4x100 meter relay race for the U.S. Olympic team. How many 4-person relay teams can be selected from among the 7 athletes? Recall that order matters in a relay team. I did not want to make the assumption that everybody understood how relays were run, so I thought I'd better add that. So from those 7 athletes, we are choosing 4, and order matters. And no, a person can't run the same leg repeatedly. So please, you could choose to say 7, 6, 5, 4, or you could, I don't want to write or because that usually means add, and I don't want to confuse you. So that's going to be 840, and I just want to say another way that you could write this is 7p4, and I'll do the same thing. Okay, 58, a computer user has downloaded 25 songs using an online file sharing program and wants to create a CDR with 10 songs to use in his portable CD player that we all carry around with us now. If the order that the songs are placed on the CDR is important to him, how many different CDRs could he make from the 25 songs available to him? So remember, he's only going to put 10 songs on that. We're not going to repeat again because we're not going to drive anybody crazy here. So, again, we are choosing 25 songs. I really don't want to draw 10 blanks here, so I'm going to go ahead and use my permutations. So 25p10, and there are going to be a lot of ways for this to happen, so you're going to get scientific notation again. So you're going to get the E13, so that means times 10 to the 13th power. Again, depending on your calculator. In Western music, an octave is divided into 12 pitches. For the film Close Encounters of the Third Kind, director Steven Spielberg asked composer John Williams to write a 5-note theme, which aliens would use to communicate with people on Earth. Disregarding rhythm and octave changes, how many 5-note themes are possible if no note is repeated, and naturally music order matters. So we are choosing from 12 pitches. Order matters. We're not repeating. And we want 5 notes. So 12p5 would be 95,040.